How to fix Snapchat camera quality in iPhone. Start by heading over to your application Snapchat. Once you are logged into your account, now if the camera quality is low, then what you want to do is, you have to try refreshing the app. Once done, the next thing you want to do is, head over to the settings of your device. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and move into Apps. In the search bar, search for the application Snapchat, and then move into it. Make sure that the background app refresh is turned on. After that, head over to your App Store. And then in the search bar, search for Snapchat. Move into this app. Right here, if your application is not up to date, then try updating the app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is, you can try using the camera of the device you have it. It will definitely increase the quality rather than Snapchat. And then you can send the snap from the camera roll itself. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.